Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to transfer money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. So the first step you need to do is, the first thing you need to know is I don't have a Coinbase account. I brought to you some screenshots, some photos for examples this process. So I explained to you how you need to do for do this process, and we start in the gallery of my phone. And the first step you need to do is open your account of Coinbase in your PC, for example. This is the principal page of the Coinbase, the normal Coinbase, the version default, and need to open your Coinbase Pro 2. So here the second step is go to the button of deposit. So the button of deposit is here in the left side of the page. You pick here in deposit, and after that you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want deposit, you want transfer. For example, you can choose BTC, Bitcoin. And after that, you need to return to your Coinbase, your normal Coinbase app, and select the crypto you want transfer. For example, you choose the Bitcoin, and after that, you need to go to the choice the where is the deposit. For example, if you want to transfer that for a crypto address, a wallet for crypto like MetaMask, or you want to deposit that in your Coinbase normal account. And in this case, we go to transfer the Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. So we pick here in the Coinbase.com. And after that, you need to select how much you can transfer to the default portfolio of the Coinbase Pro. So you can select 60, for example, in this example, and you pick in deposit, and that's it. You complete the process, pick in deposit, you transfer your cryptocurrency. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.